Okay, so today I want to talk to you guys about something, and I know this isn't a type of video that you normally see on this channel. Also, you don't normally see me dressed like this, and you don't really see my face cam at all. So, first, let's just do a thing, shall we? Alright, so I'm pretty sure the lighting change to that effect was not as good as I wanted it to be. The point is, I need to get going. So, I'll let you guys know what's up as soon as I get there. Alright, so you see, there's a thing going on, and I'll explain some things later. So this thing that's happening is spring banquet for college, because I'm doing this thing called graduating. Finally. That and the other things that have been going on are that I've been in Chicago with friends, which there's a vlog about on my main channel. And that's some of why I've been busy, and I'm working on videos for other people and then working, because YouTube is still not my main job. So that's some of why I haven't been uploading any content lately. So it is what it is. I've heard your guys' requests about Google being dumb and Snapchat and a handful of other things, but I'll get around to those eventually. Alright, so like I said, my life has been kind of chaotic. I mean, it looks like I'm busy, right? But that's the whole reason as to why I haven't been making videos. There's a lot going on in my life, so as soon as life clears up, I will be making new videos. Also, I know this is more like a vlog than a news update, but I just wanted this news update to be interesting somehow, instead of it boring me sitting at a table or chair telling you guys what's all up. So I figured this would be more interesting. Okay, so the last thing I want to say is that I also haven't always had the time to get my proper recording equipment set up, because all of it is in a separate room, and I'm always having to watch. Hold on. I always get to watch this cute little guy. Yeah, do you enjoy sitting in my lap? Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. But he can be a handful sometimes. But yeah, so that's the majority of why I haven't made any videos as of lately. And this clip right here is like a couple weeks later since everything else that you saw, and I just felt like this would help wrap up the video. Oh, last thing. I know I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so freaking much. I still have no idea what I'm gonna make for that 1,000 subscriber milestone. Heck, at this rate, I don't even know when I'm gonna get around to making it, or I don't even have any ideas, or any good ideas, I should say. So with that, again, just want to say thank you. Thank you for being so supportive. And as always, I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Alright, I'm gonna go give him a treat because he's pretty mad at me.